Hi, today we're going to learn one of my favorite Pilates exercises. It's called the 100, fantastic abdominal strengthening exercise. I'm going to start by showing you the full version of the exercise just so you know what the goal is, and then we'll go through a few progressions to work up towards it. So what you want to do is start laying on your back. Take a full breath in, widening the rib cage, and as you exhale, pull the lower belly down and in toward the spine. We're going to bring the knees up over the hips. Take another breath in, engage the abs. As you exhale, tuck your chin, curl up to a crunch. You're going to keep that chin tuck, shoulder blades back, extend the legs out at about a 45-degree angle, and then pulse the arms for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Actually, you do that 10 times. So it comes to a total of 100 pulses of the arms. That's why it's called the 100. So this is a new exercise to you. You can certainly start with a modified version. And what you would do is still do the same preparation where you're going to activate those deeper abdominal muscles before doing the crunch and the harder part of the exercise. So inhale, exhale, deep abdominal muscles, belly button pulls toward the spine, knees up over the hips. Tuck the chin, curl yourself up. Now as you do your crunch, what you want to do is have your head in line with your spine. So it's not going to shoot forward this way. You want to think about your head resting back like as if you were in a hammock. Shoulder blades curl up, and then you can pulse the arms here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the neck gets a little fatigued, you can do one hand behind the head. And then halfway through the exercise, switch hands. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can also modify by bringing one foot on the ground or both. 3, 4, 5. And in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest for a moment. Now, the other thing to look out for is the position of your spine. What you want to have is a neutral spine position here. So when you do your crunch, in all versions, either if you have the feet down, knees up, or knees extended version, the weight is heavy on the tailbone and on the bottom of your rib cage. It's a little less weight on your spine. Not enough to have any space for your lower back, so your back isn't going to arch, but also we're not going to smush your lower back down into the ground. With this one, you're going to keep a neutral position. So it's almost like there's like a potential space in the lower back. You can kind of test that to see what it feels like just with your head resting on the ground. So if you flatten your back, tipping your pelvis posteriorly, press your spine down onto the ground and see what that feels like compared to just keeping it neutral, which would be tailbone on the ground, slight curve in the lower back. So take an inhale, and then see if you can exhale, crunch, keeping that neutral spine position. So we're not smushing the spine down. Keep the pelvis heavy onto the ground. Nice. Bring the head down. The other thing to look for is shoulder position. So as you do your crunch, tailbone heavy on the ground, curl it up, your bottom ribs pull down and in toward your belly button. Sometimes we want to like really stress the shoulders by pulling your fingers forwards, and that can be a little uncomfortable on the neck and the shoulder. So what you do is you drop your shoulder blades down out of the ears, and then at the same time as your fingers are reaching forward, pull your shoulder blades back behind you. And then you pulse the arms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. All right, so now we've got good spine position, we've got good neck position, good shoulder position. The last thing is how to use the abdominal muscles correctly. And what you want to do is keep pulling them inward, but not so much that you can't breathe. So it's going to be just a gentle contraction, belly button in toward your spine. And then as you do your crunch, you're going to keep checking that the belly pulls in and that we're not valsalvaing, which is where you bear down and press your stomach so hard so that the abs push up toward the ceiling. So we want to try to avoid that. That creates a lot of pressure in the abdominal cavity. That's unnecessary. So if you can, keep trying to gently pull the belly in toward your spine as you crunch. So it's inhale, exhale, belly pulls in. Keep it pulled down in toward your spine as you curl up. We'll go ahead and add the knees up toward the chest and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2. If you're ready to progress, you can add one leg in 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then halfway through, switch legs. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then eventually both legs together. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Hug the knees. Roll it back down. Awesome job. So now that we know the right technique, we'll do the entire exercise. You can pick whichever modification that you want to try for today. So we'll inhale to prepare. Exhale, belly button pulls in toward your spine. On your next inhale, knees up over the hips, shoulder blades back onto your rib cage. Exhale, curl it up. Take your version and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4. Glue your knees together. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Keep the shoulders just as high. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. You're almost done. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. Hug the knees. Rest your head down on the ground. And breathe.